And you've allowed the training dummies to fall into terrible disrepair. So I've ordered a new one. Here he is now.
I was told there'd be a taco truck.
Don't worry, their adult teeth haven't come in yet. Just look out for their much sharper baby teeth. I guess the executive kennel supervisor is all I'll ever be to Mr. Burns.
Nothing. Ow! Worst. Ow! They're not being respected. Ow! At work. Ow! Ow.
The puppies are finally murderous enough to be doled out to my rich and powerful allies who need watchdogs.